Can you guess the animals by the emojis? Are you ready? Let's go. Now guess this animal. Seahorse. Now guess this animal. Jellyfish. Now guess this animal. Dolphin. Now guess this animal. Butterfly. Now guess this animal. Bear. Now guess this animal. Panda. Now guess this animal. Sheep. Now guess this animal. Monkey. Now guess this animal. Wolf. Now guess this animal. Blue whale. Now guess this animal. Squirrel. Now guess this animal. Deer. Now guess this animal. Catfish. Now guess this animal. Mouse. Now guess this animal. Snail. Now guess this animal. Camel. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, PLs, hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel.